Following developments here in Hong Kong. And Kristie, it seems that April is shaping up to be Wall Street's worst month in 2 years after stocks slid yesterday. How are Asian markets faring today?
Yeah, well, Anna, it's been a bit of a mixed picture here in Asia. Look, Japan is certainly dragging Asian markets lower, but Chinese markets are bucking the trend. This after Wall Street plummeted on Tuesday. You had the tech-heavy Nasdaq leading U.S. losses. It lost nearly 4% on Tuesday, its lowest level since late 2020. All this over fears of a global economic slowdown, which is essentially being triggered by three things: aggressive tightening by the U.S. Federal Reserve, aggressive zero COVID policy by China, and also the ongoing and brutal war in Ukraine. On Tuesday, Chinese stocks fell. There's been a lot of concerns there as China battles COVID-19 infections, not just in Shanghai, but also in Beijing and elsewhere. And also a lot of concern about the economic fallout, the economic impact of its tough zero COVID policy, affecting everything from domestic consumption inside China, wreaking havoc as well on the global supply chain. Now, we are in the midst of the Asian trading day. We have the live data for you. Let's bring it up for you. And as you can see, right there, the Nikkei is losing about 1.33%. The Seoul Kospi is down 1.4%. Australia S&P ASX 200 down 0.8%. Hong Kong Hang Seng relatively flat. The Shanghai Composite, again bucking the trend, it's gaining 1%. Chinese stocks apparently have bounced back after days of losses. Now, fears of a lockdown in Beijing have been dragging on investor sentiment, and for very good reason. I want to bring up this statement for you. It's from the global market strategist of Oanda, and he tells CNN this. He says, quote, although some parts of China have been under restrictions longer than Shanghai, Omicron's arrival in Beijing would be an ominous development. China is the world's second largest economy. It has shown no signs that it intends to live with the virus. And with that in mind, he adds, the likely pressure valve is going to be disruption to China's export machine and a cratering of consumer confidence, unquote. So, Anna, there is great uncertainty out there about China, about the Fed, also about the fate and future of Ukraine. Remember, it was just last week when the IMF warned that the global economy will be severely set back. We have these three economic shocks out there, and the global markets are feeling it. Back to you.
Kristie Lu Stout, as always, good to see you. Many thanks.
Thanks, Anna.